If you are given a job, do it well with integrity. Don't start eating the money before the contract is on. No, be disciplined, do the job well, the profit will come. And when you see, excellence has a way of recycling opportunities to your life again. There is nobody who lives what works. When you are excellent and you deliver as a man of God, God grants you grace. People invite you for a conference. Do your homework. Don't stand there and just go and make noise and then pray that you are invited again. No, you pray but you study. Do your homework. Speak to the people with excellence. You will go back there again. As a banker, do your work well. A businessman, do your work well. You run a shop and a mall. You wake up by 11 o'clock and close by 3 o'clock, and your excuse is that I'm running to church. I love you sincerely, but that approach is a loser's approach. You can employ people, and that includes other people who may not be there, so that while you are in church, your products are still running and you are blessing people.
You know, sometimes they watch them on home. That over fight it. What's that? William, you know, I know.